So I just got back from the fair. It's 9 something, I guess. And while I was there, I grabbed some fidgets because they had some. I got 2 currently, and I just ordered 3 more poppets, and I will show them on Tuesday or Monday. I don't know which day they're coming, but yeah, I'm gonna show you the poppet I got right now and the other fidget. First, this is amazing. I love it so much, and it's a green shark, and it's like my favorite fidget now. You can't hear it that well, but okay. This is what it sounds like on the front. On the back, that's amazing. And this is the most amazing poppet I've ever had. It's a shark. And I got it at the fair. Surprising, right? And we went to the fair today, the Anderson County Fair, and the last thing we did was watch these people with motorcycles. Victorious circus perform. And yeah, I'm playing with the puppet. And they were so cool. There was somebody on a tightrope, and his name was Anthony. And then there was somebody who was doing acrobatics. I guess, I don't know what it would be called. I thought it was contortionist. But, he was doing something with chairs where he would stack them and then he would do handstand on top of them. And people with motorcycles in the death cage. Cool. And Anthony also was in there. And then there was I'm trying to think of the other girl in there, but I can't remember her name. We did a lot of cool stuff, and Liliana went with me. It was very good. And I'm going to show you the second fidget. Oh, come back. And I know it's late that I'm posting this, so most of y'all won't see it till tomorrow. But yeah. Is the net broken again? No, it isn't. Okay, good. Remember I first got him, the net was a little bit broken, so... It is one of those things, but it is 2 of them. And I think if you cut it, you can get them out. But I'm probably not. And they are glitter stress balls. And it's very fun to play with. It's very squishy. It's not hard to squish them. And overall, they're just very good. Oh, the net is broken. The net broke.
Well,
all the way. Now they came out.
Well, I can sew it back together.
No, these are pretty good by themselves, but I still like them in the net.
Really
They're like.
Oh, it just needs to be tied.
Yeah.
The zip tie come off. I got a zip tie.
Okay.
I can fix that.
Well, these are like dough balls.
You can fix it now?
Yeah. They're very nice though without it, but I like it kind of better when they are in there.
At least the net's not broken. It's just undone.
The other one was actually broken. I'm glad they weren't made together. Oops. This is a short video because I'm tired. And I only have 2 things to show off. But next week we will have 3 things to show off. And it'll probably be longer. Tiredness. I'm a chicken. You never tried this, but you need to now.
Okay, can I fix this first?
Yes.
I only got 2 hands.
And it looks like a butt cheek.
Yeah, there's a little butt cheek. Are you still recording?
Yep.
You should probably say goodnight.
Yeah. Nobody's seeing this at night time, probably.
Yeah, when they do, it's still got a hole in it.
Can they still come out?
A little bit, but just
Let me feel it.
slowly right there.
Stop. You were gonna squish it too much and they were gonna explode. My mom fixed it. Congratulations, you have earned Best Mom of the Year award. No,
Stop.
Mama, do it normal.
This is normal. You're not normal.
No, you aren't. Look at her. Look at how she's doing it. That is not normal. That is not normal at all. Mother, no, Mother, come back.
Nope.
Mom, can you please just try something?
You don't like the way you do it, and you don't like the way I do it, and that's okay.
Mom, can you just do it like with 3 fingers and then 3 fingers and 2 fingers and then 3 fingers
I'm
and 3?
good.
Please.
I'm good.
Please, Mom, please. If you truly love me.
You know, I truly love you, and that's why I'm breaking apart this funnel cake.
Mama. Can I have more?
Don't break now. You have half, not half.
Mama. Love you, please. Who doesn't like that anyways? Like, this is what she looked like she was doing.
Dramatic.
No, you just don't know how to do it.
Dramatic.
No, she just don't know how to do it.
What do you want to drink?
Not anything.
Your funnel cake?
Mhm.
You'll get thirsty.
Okay. Well, blur, I'ma go. Boom. And boom.